The goal is to deliver working, demonstrable products frequently. The way we break down the work is incredibly important for our chances of achieving this. One of the most common problems with user stories is the lack of conversation about the user story. User stories are a placeholder for further conversation. They're complemented with conversation that takes place between product owner and the development team. Problems can arise when the product owner tries to write detail-rich and precise user stories. This will result in stories that are inappropriate, difficult to understand, unfeasible, and not testable.